Welcome to our comprehensive guide on compliance requirements under the Digital Operational Resilience Act, or DORA. The first step involves assessing whether DORA applies to your operations. Determine if your entity falls under its purview by reviewing the financial services you provide against the definitions in DORA. For example, a bank offering online banking services would fall under DORA's scope due to its reliance on ICT systems for operational functionality. The next step would be to conduct a thorough risk assessment of your ICT systems, or information and communication technology systems, identifying vulnerabilities, threat scenarios, and potential impacts on your operations. This step is crucial for understanding the specific risks your entity faces. It can include analyzing your online banking platform for vulnerabilities such as outdated software, potential cyber attack vectors, and the impact of system downtime on your services. Next, based on the risk assessment, develop and implement a risk management framework tailored to your entity's needs. This framework should address identified risks, incorporating cybersecurity measures, data protection protocols, and incident response strategies. For example, if the risk assessment reveals a high risk of phishing attacks, implement enhanced email security measures, employ training programs on recognizing phishing attempts, and a robust incident response plan for mitigating such attacks. Thereafter, it is required to establish an incident reporting mechanism compliant with DORA's requirements. This includes defining the types of incidents that must be reported, the reporting timelines, and the designated authorities. This can be implemented by developing a protocol for immediate reporting of security breaches that affect critical operations, outlining steps for internal escalation, assessment, and notification to the relevant national authority. The framework is further strengthened by regularly conducting resilience testing of your ICT systems to evaluate their capacity to withstand cyber threats. This testing can range from penetration testing to full-scale business continuity exercises. For example, you can schedule annual penetration testing of your online banking system to identify and address security weaknesses before they can be exploited by attackers. Therefore, DORA compliance is an ongoing journey requiring continuous attention to the evolving landscape of ICT risks. By understanding the regulations, conducting detailed risk assessments, and implementing robust risk management frameworks, your entity can navigate the complexities of DORA compliance confidently. This framework provides a structured approach to achieving DORA compliance, adaptable to specific needs and risk profiles. Feel free to discuss your DORA compliance requirements by sharing your comments or by clicking on the link mentioned below. Thank you and have a good day.